What's up, everyone? Today I'll be talking about college stress, and my major is general studies to be a coach. So, the problems with stress, and especially at college level, is students lack motivation, and then they increase their stress level just during college because of these points. Because they have no time to do everything. Because we're only one person, so if we pile on everything at the same time or the last minute, then we tend to stress more. So if we do it before the deadline, it will lift so much stress off of our shoulders, and it will give you some motivation to finish everything on time and help you make time for the more important things in your life. Another point is worrying about not being good enough. If you try and do your best on everything, these teachers will help you, especially if you're new to the school or are a freshman. Regional or national and global perspective. It doesn't really differ from person to person. It just depends on what degree and how many hours you put into school or how long you want to be in school. But people in college have the most stress from school to work to maybe even a family. It's all stressful and hard for everyone, unless they're academically gifted. Again, it doesn't really differ from any other college students. Some statistics on this. This shows about how many people actually go through stress and anxiety throughout the years. Approximately 20% report going through 6 or more stress experiences throughout the past year. 85% of adults experience the most stress throughout their college years. 45% of the college students experience more than the average stress levels. 63% of American college students report that health-related issues are the main stressor. And only 11% of Americans sleep well, which is crazy. The solution to this is probably the best thing for me to do is stop stressing. As like for stopping stress is to find something you really like, or maybe sleeping, maybe running, working out, something to get your mind off of everything and just help you focus on this one thing. With me, I like running and lifting right now because it is really stress relieving and helps me get my mind off of everything in my life right now. So, and my website.